What I want to do is show you how to set up your battery backup UPS device that is included in your ERS startup package. I have already removed the device from its packaging and removed the plastic from the outside. So what I'm faced with here on this backup battery is a label that says stop. It says connect the battery before you use it. So let's see how to do that. So I'm going to turn the device over, the UPS over on its flip side, and you'll see a little thumb point that you press and slide this cover out of the way. And when you slide it out of the way, you'll see that there is a battery, a large battery included. Now I'm going to turn it over because the leads are on the top here. So I'm going to flip the whole device over like this. And now I'm going to pull this battery out. Not an easy job, but what you do is turn it upside down and let it slide to you like that. And you'll see that there is one terminal, this black terminal, that is disconnected. And there is the terminal point that has no terminal connected up to it. If I look on the other side of this battery, you'll see that it's red and it has a red cable already attached to it. So there's nothing to do there. Notice that there is a lower short side of this plug and a long side to the plug. You want the short side down so that the longer side covers up the connection point. So I'm going to slide this on. Once again, sometimes it's easy to hook up, sometimes it's tough. You have to use a lot of force sometimes to get it on. When you put it on, tug on it to make sure that you have a good connection. That looks like a good connection now, so I'm going to slide it back in place. Watch your cables and make sure that they are completely in the packaging. Now I'm going to take the cover and replace the cover. Once again, make sure that you have the cover in the slots, started from the end, move it forward until it clicks into place. Now the battery is connected. I'm going to turn the UPS over so you can see it. And the first thing I'm going to do is, now that I have connected the battery, I'm going to take this off. Remove this slowly, because if you jerk it, it'll rip. And it's difficult to get it off. All right, so now we have terminals, we have plug-in locations across the top, and we have plug-in locations across the bottom. All 4 connection points across the top are battery backed up and provide surge protection. The ones across the bottom only provide surge protection, so you have 4 points to connect up for surge protection. What we want to do is use as few connections across the top as is feasible, because every device that is connected across the top, when power is removed from your facility, this battery that we made active has got to support those devices. The more devices that are plugged up across the top, the quicker the battery will be used up. Now the next step is to actually plug this into a power strip, which I'm going to do now. I'm going to plug this in to the power strip. And when I plug it in, I should be able to press this power button here on the far right, and you'll see that a light is flashing. So this green and red light, the green light says power on, the red light is telling you replace battery. Those are only indicators of what you will see on this green light location here, this LED. This is only a label, this green and the red. They're only for your information. So the UPS is now powered up. It's supposed to stay in this charging state for about 5 hours before you actually can depend on it to back up your system. Now we're ready to start plugging in our devices.